Welcome to 610 Yellowstone Drive in Sidney, Montana, an upgraded home with over 2,900 square feet of spacious, well-designed living. On the main floor, you'll find a generous living room that flows into a well-appointed kitchen, complete with modern appliances, ample storage, and a center island that doubles as a breakfast bar and additional seating area. Kitchen is designed for both daily living and entertaining, with ample counter space, sleek cabinetry, and an open layout perfect for connecting with family and guests. The spacious living room offers plenty of natural light and comfortable gathering space, making it ideal for relaxing or hosting. The main level also features a spacious primary suite designed for comfort and relaxation. The attached bathroom enhances the experience with a walk-in shower, a bathtub, generous vanity, and quality finishes that create a calming, spa-like atmosphere. Just off the kitchen is the dining room, perfect for gathering with family and friends. This inviting space offers a seamless connection to the kitchen, making mealtime both convenient and enjoyable. The main level also includes 3 additional bedrooms, each offering comfort and versatility, ideal for family, guests, or a home office. In this area, a convenient laundry room with additional storage makes daily routines easier. Nearby, a second full bathroom enhances the space with a well-appointed design that balances style and practicality. Just upstairs, enjoy a fully finished bonus space that includes a comfortable family room and 2 more spacious bedrooms, offering great separation of space for multi-generational living, hobbies, or a quiet retreat. The outdoor space features a fully fenced lot with a garden, a kids' playhouse, and plenty of room to relax or play. The oversized, heated 2-car garage offers ample storage and potential for expansion. This home is a perfect blend of space, comfort, and value, ideal for growing families.